In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to cart button on Squarespace. We'll walk through adding a cart button to your site header and customizing how it looks and behaves, all from within your Squarespace account. Start by signing in and heading to your account dashboard. From there, open the site you want to work on and choose Go to Website to launch the site editor. Once the editor loads, you'll see your site's management panel. Select Website so you're looking at the editing tools for your live site, then open Pages so you can get into editing mode. At the top of the page, click Edit to enter the visual editor. You'll know you're in the right place when you can hover over sections and see editable outlines. Move your mouse up to the site header and choose Edit Site Header. The cart button lives in the header, which is perfect because it needs to be visible on every page. Inside the header editor, look for the option to add elements. This opens a panel of items you can place in your header. You'll see options like button, social links, account, and language switch. For our purpose, select Cart. Squarespace will place a cart icon in your header, usually to the right of your navigation. If you don't immediately see it, check the header layout settings or scroll within the header area. The element may be tucked into a secondary slot depending on your template. Note that if the cart option isn't available, your site may not have commerce enabled yet, or you might not have products added. Enabling commerce features typically makes the cart element appear. Once the cart appears, click directly on the cart element in the header to open its controls. If you see a small toolbar or an edit prompt for the element itself, click Edit to open the full settings for the cart. In the cart settings, choose Cart to confirm you're editing the cart element, then head into the Style section to refine how it looks. First, adjust the cart icon size so the icon is easy to spot without overpowering your logo or navigation. A slightly larger size often improves visibility on desktop while still keeping things tidy. Next, open the border settings. Turning on a border can help the cart stand out against a busy header background. If you enable the border, use thickness to fine-tune how bold the outline appears. Keep contrast and accessibility in mind here. Your cart should be easy to notice for all visitors. If your header has a dark background, a lighter border, or a bolder icon size can make a big difference. Look for the option to show 0 in cart. Turning this on displays a 0 badge when the cart is empty, which reassures visitors that the cart is working and shows them where to expect updates when they add items. It's a small touch that improves clarity, especially for first-time customers. Next, find Add to Cart confirmation. This controls what customers see right after they add a product. Choose the confirmation style that best fits your store's flow, something that clearly confirms the action without disrupting the browsing experience. A brief confirmation helps people stay on the page while feeling confident their item was added. As you make changes, keep an eye on spacing in the header. If your navigation feels cramped, consider slightly reducing the icon size or toggling the border off for a cleaner look. The goal is a cart that's visible, attractive, and consistent with your brand. When you're happy with the design and behavior, click Save to apply your changes. Finally, choose Exit to leave the header editor and return to the main site view. Take a quick look at a few pages on your site to confirm the cart appears consistently and remains easy to find. That's it. Your Add to Cart button is now in place, styled to match your site, and ready for shoppers.